This video will demonstrate how to operate the S6-GC3P 25 to 36K with the SolisCloud app after power on. SolisCloud download and login. You can download SolisCloud app by scanning the following QR code. Open the app. Click Register in the upper right corner. Select Organization or Owner and fill in the relevant information to register. After the registration is completed, log in to the backstage of SolisCloud. Inverter Bluetooth connection and select the national standard. After logging into the app, enter the service page. Click on the local operation and select Bluetooth connection. After successful connection, select the corresponding Bluetooth number and connect the corresponding inverter. If you select the default country standard, click Confirm. If you need to select a standard from another country, click Go to Settings, select the corresponding country and standard, and click Save to save the settings. Inverter function setting. Click on the inverter settings, and then click on the inverter function settings, and you can adjust any of these options. Turning the fan test on or off. Other settings are the same as above. Inverter parameter setting. Click Inverter parameter setting. You can adjust any of these options. If you want to set the inverter time, you can manually change the inverter time, or choose to follow the phone time. Click Save to confirm your changes. You can calibrate the energy output of the inverter. Adjust the leakage current protection value and insulation impedance protection value. Other settings are the same as above. Inverter power setting. Click Inverter power setting. You can adjust any of these options. For example, adjusting the power limit range and adjusting the power calibration factor. Other settings are the same as above. Inverter special function setting. Click Inverter special function setting. You can adjust any of these options. Click Fan control. You can set up a variety of auto adjustment fan options. You can choose the fan mode, such as normal mode, silent mode, etc. Fan parameters can also be adjusted. Other settings are the same as above. Grid parameter setting. Click Grid parameter setting and click Grid code setting. Grid code. The grid code is initially displayed as the national standard selected at the time of startup, and the country and corresponding standard can be re-selected, and adjust the relevant parameters. EPM setting. Click EPM setting and enter the built-in EPM setting. You can choose the built-in EPM mode in the built-in EPM setting, or select a connected meter in Meter Select. Other settings are the same as above. Click EPM setting and enter the external EPM setting. You can turn the external EPM failsafe switch on or off. Working mode setting. Click Inverter work mode setting When you need to select working modes, you can click the corresponding mode setting to turn on and adjust the relevant parameters.